Okay, this is going to be the last video for this tutorial. Now that we have the base female animated model and it's in the Blender format, we have our three animations: idle, running, and walk. We just need to export this out in GLTF format. Um, and then I'm going to open up Blitz 3D and have a simple template file that will import this in and show it animating. So all you do is go to File, Export, GLTF, and pretty much everything here is going to be okay. We want to export the animation. You don't really have to change anything in here to make it work. And I exported it into my Blitz 3D projects folder, base female animated. Just do it again, just so it's there. And we can close Blender. And then if we open up Blitz, I created a file called simple template. As you can see here, just create a simple HD window. Create a perspective camera, move it up 1 on the y-axis to get it off of ground level. -3 backwards. That seems to center like a model in the proportions that we talked about in the earlier video. Centers it just about perfect. Just create a simple directional light and rotate it on the x-axis -30 degrees. Very simple setup. Loading in the sunny sky, environment texture, and here we go. We create a simple ground that's 32 by 32 with the paving stones material. Transform the text mesh text chord 16 by 16 just to get them to look kind of good. They're way too big whenever they're not transformed. And so then we create the ground model, and then right here, add a bone model. I'll just say model equals load bone model, and there's the base female animated GLB that I just exported. We have animation time, little poll events, escape key gets you out of the loop, animate model, and then we'll just do right here 0. Now if we go back into Blender, I'm going to show you, and we open up base female animated. Remember how in the action editor here, idle, running, walk. So idle is 0, running is 1, walk is 2. All right, so this is the animation sequence. We'll do 0, hit play, and there we go. And you can see the idle animation is playing. Change this to 1. There's our run. And change this to 2. And there is our walk. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on the forums. I appreciate you watching, and I hope this helps you guys out. And let me know if you want to make any other tutorials. I'll probably make some on just modeling in Blender and how to like quickly within like probably 30 minutes model a really quick character, and then you can use the techniques that I showed you to throw some animations on it. And then also in Mixamo, there's just a ton of really well modeled, well textured models that are already in there, but some of them can get pretty big in size. You know, and they get really complicated. So I would stick to something simple at first, because you might run into different issues if you start messing around with these complicated characters. But anyway, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you later. Have a good one.